Okay, so rules of stunt women who definitely know how to put on makeup. Putting on makeup in a car while driving, because how hard can that be? First thing, overall execution, 20 points. 10 of those points, symmetry related. Okay, then each makeup item has a value just for using it. So if you use it, you get the points. So lip liner, 20 points, because we think it's the hardest. Lipstick, 15 points. Blush, 10 points. Eyeshadow, 15 points. But if you use more than one color of eyeshadow, you get 5 points for every additional color of eyeshadow. And then there's the X factor, which is 10 points. That leaves you with a potential total of 100 points if you manage to use 3 colors of eyeshadow. Caps off.
Oh, I will. I'm just gonna do that in the car.
Okay.
So
How are you feeling, Katie?
I'm nervous.
Are you
What's to be nervous about?
I'm really excited. Okay, I'm ready.
Hot. So good. Let's see, Katie.
Don't cry. It'll all come out.
She did a reach around.
For the eyeshadow. I caught it on camera. Wow, look at you.
Oh my god. She like went like this.
Look at you.
Catching the reveal. Yeah, she's not sure where the lipstick went exactly.
Oh, good. I jammed it in the side pocket.
Wow.
This is the center console.
What did you do?
Okay, my focus was Z.
Okay, what did we get on?
I think I got everything
You
on.
got 2 shadows. I see lip liner and lipstick and blush.
I had 3 eyeshadows, but by the time I got to myself, they were really all muddled together into one shade of blue.
I see at least, yeah, I think I do see 2 colors.
And Z's got some fine makeup.
She did get both sides though, and
Yeah.
we were gonna give her full credit for one side.
So I just jammed my fingers into it, not really look. I was like, I hope I get 3, but really they were just all a big muddle already. And then I went like this, and like I don't know if my finger was wet or what, but I brought up like a chunk of one of those eyeshadow palettes, and then it was done. I was like crying way too hard for anything to go properly after that. Hi. I'm Katie. I got in a fight with the eyeshadow. So yeah, I got 3 colors of eyeshadow on Z, but then I had to like go back in for my own, and I like almost picked up a whole palette accidentally, and it fell like in the corner of my eye, and I just went with it because that's what a professional does. I also got lip liner and lipstick, as I'm sure you can see, and I think I got blush, but I'm not sure. I went for it. I don't know if it's there.
Oh, maybe it's your blush on my arm.
It doesn't look like blush on your arm.
Looks like lip liner.
That's lipstick.
It
that is.
Oh, is that Anna? Oh, actually.
had the lip liner, not the lipstick.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
In any case.
I think it matches yours.
Stop trying to defend yourself against makeup.
All right. Scores.
You wanted to go first.
Yeah, so I'm actually, even though it's it's something. I think what I'm
And then you
supposed to
just
be judging
gesture.
on here is like equality and of the sides of the face, like how it's all done. And
Symmetry.
it's very loud everywhere. So it's symmetrical on both sides. I like how in the middle you went with the little goatee, kind of right down the center.
Almost like a soul
of
patch.
the lips.
Yeah, that was
Little
on
soul patch.
purpose.
Yeah.
100%.
But it's in the middle, so I can't really take points off of that. I think I'm gonna go with a 17 for because it's
Not that good. This is a true underdog story.
an X Factor. I mean, can you get any louder? And I don't know. That's gotta be a 9.
9.
Yeah.
Shit.
Okay, for me, I'm gonna give you full points for X Factor because
Yes, nice.
I was X'd out. That's great. Execution, however, I think there's a lot of explosions or a lot of just kind of hitting yourself in the face with makeup. So I'm gonna give a little bit. I'm gonna go for a 10 out of 20.
Okay.
That seems fair.
X Factor all the way.
Yeah.
It's a look that says a lot. And you could go out with this. You could
What else could I do
wake
with
up
this?
with this.
I might have to.
So how do you feel, Katie?
I felt really good. Like that was definitely a better score than I was anticipating. Actually, both of them were better scores than I was anticipating.
Amazing.
Yeah, this is a fun moment for me. I'm looking forward to my Picasso trophy.
These are professional stunt women and a professional driver on a closed course. You should not do this.